So I'm here with Don. He's been a longtime Crown Royal Stoves customer. He bought his stove back in 2006 as brand new. He bought a 7400 and he's now going to be replacing it with a brand new 7350. So Don, do you mind telling us a little bit about your experience with Crown Royal?
My experience with Crown Royal it's been good, and I like it better than most of the other stoves because of the ash pan in the bottom, and now I see they make them stainless, and that's good. I like the grates because I like my air going up through and burning stuff. I don't like some of them are open at the top and just blow air in on them, and you can plug them easier and so forth when you're throwing wood in. And I've had good experience with it, and no leaks, and I'm going back to it. It's just as simple as that. And they've upgraded the doors and so forth, and like everything around it. So I'm going back to it. I'm going to just a hair smaller. I just about bought one last year, and I didn't know whether to get the 73 or the 74. And I thought I could get by with 73, but when they brought out the 7350, that really made up my mind that I was going back with one of these. And so far I've had good luck. They've had good doors and everything and so forth. I like everything about it. I've never ever had to replace the rubber around the door even on it. I've kept it tight, easy to adjust and so forth. So everything's good so far. So that's why I'm going back to it.
Great. Well, thanks, Don, and thanks for your patronage with Crown Royal Stoves. And there's Don's old 19-year-old boiler, still in good shape, not leaky or rusty at all. And he's going to be getting that new 7350 to heat his 3,500 square feet that he's looking at keeping warm this winter.